Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Vesta 67's workshop. Welcome to issue 93 of Build the Iconic Ford Falcon XB GT, the 1/8 scale madmax car from our good old friends over at Hachette. Now, if you'd like to grab this and build one of these along with me, head over to their website. There's a clickable link in the description below. And you too can build this iconic car. Right, let's have a quick scoop through this magazine and see what we're up to this week, folks. Right, we're doing the left headlight now, so you're going to need the front bumper skirt assembly that we've been working on in the previous issues, folks. Okay, so grab that and have that to hand. Same process as last time. We're going to be fitting all of this lens and light bulbness to it. Remember to cut the tabs off using your cutters. And then we're just going to be using PS5 screws to fit that together. Grab the shroud, fit the lens, fit the shroud. Secure that with DS2 screw. And then we'll fit the light and its surrounding. Fit that with a PS05 and a DS02. Pop the bulb in. And that's what we're going to end up with at the end of this issue, folks. Okay. So that's the magazine done. So we'll put that to one side, folks. And we'll start a bit of assembly. And I've just spotted what's coming next time. Oh. Right. Let's pop our bits and pieces out. So we're doing the left lens this time. So same process. You've got a big tab and a small tab. Okay. And this has got a little lip on it. When you run your nail over it or your fingertip, you'll feel it. And you're hooking that underneath when you first put this in, folks. Okay. Wedge it in like so. And then nice resounding press. Done. That's that simple. So that's that done. Let's grab our surround with the little cut out at the top, and that's what this goes through. Okay, we spin it round the right way, and that's going in there like so. And then we're going to be putting the screws in the back there. Okay, so it's the PS05. So let's grab two of those. Pop a drop of oil on, like that. And again, remember you're going into plastic. So just give it a little nip. Grab the next screw. And do the same again. Just like that. Is what we want. Give it a little jiggle to make sure it ain't rattling. And that's that fitted, okay? Right, so put that to one side. Let's get our assembly out and grab our lens. Again, remember, folks, notch side towards you. Just wipe the inside of that in case I've put a fingerprint on there. Don't think I have, but we'll just clean it, be on the safe side, I think. And then just rest that in. Like so. Grab our shroud of shroudiness, pop that over that peg, like that, and then up over that one like that. Right, we want to grab our DS02, don't we? So let's grab one of you, like that. Drop a bit of oil on there, infuse some of that, and you're going down in there. Like so, and pick that up, just so that I'm not scraping it on the cutting mat. Just like so. And then we can grab our light fitting now and drop that in situ, okay? So let's just give that a clean, just in case there's any fingerprints on there. Shouldn't be, but you never know. Put that in the correct way round, Colin. like that. That should now enable me whack a bit of oil on you. And get you in situ as well. Like that. Now we can pick it up and we can tighten those all down now. That's you done. And just double check you. That's you done. Happy days. Right. We can now grab our lens. Let's grab me contactor clear so we can glue that bulb in, because we don't want any bulbs popping out of these lights once we fit it, because you'll never get them back in once it's all attached to the chassis. And that definitely needed some glue, that one, because that's quite a loose fit. So I'm happy I've done that. We can now spin that up and show you what we've got. We have got all of that lot now, folks. Look at that. Eh? Oh, straight away, it's bringing the character of the car alive, isn't it? With the headlampness of goodness and all of that. Look, ignore the big thumbprints and that. That'll all get polished off at the very end. But that's what you should have at the end of this issue, folks. Okay. So, don't forget, if you'd like to grab one of these and build one of these with me, head over to the Hachette website. There's a clickable link in the description below. Bop. And you too can be building one of these along with me. Also, to help me out and keep the channel alive, you can hit the subscribe button. That really helps grow the channel. And remember to like, share and hype the video. Just boosts the numbers and pushes it out there with a good old algorithm. In the meantime, thank you so much for coming in and keeping me company. I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Until then, stay safe and well. Goodbye for now.